right? Mirror back at it again. Yeah. So the last video I posted was when I did the little modifications, like to the button, the trunk button. Y'all seen the valve stems and the what is it called? The little sticker on the back that says ScatPack on my brake light. So y'all seen that? I got 2 more modifications, right? You might see one of them today if it got delivered. They said it got delivered, so we gonna see if it really got delivered. Because I hate when USPS lie, and I hate liars. But listen to this noise though. You hear this? It sounds like something loose, and I don't know what's loose. I might have to take my car to Dodge or something, bro, because I don't know what that is. And they do it every time I hit a bump or something. Hold up. You can hear it now. Hold on. You hear it? It's like marbles. That, all that shit. Like, what the hell is that? Oh no, he's 6. Man, I look kind of rough right now, but y'all didn't come to the video to look at me. You came to look at to see the updates about the car. So, I'm just going straight. Hopefully, I'm just gonna tell you what it is. So, I got a Wickerbill. As y'all seen, when I first got my car had a Wickerbill when they first got one, I guess, or whoever had a car before me had a Wickerbill. And I guess when he traded the car back in, or when whatever happened, I bought the car, and it got the holes on the splitter, the spoiler for the Wickerbill, like it was one there, because my car got a diffuser. So of course you're gonna have a, of course you're gonna have a what is it called, Wickerbill too, because you know Wickerbill diffuser, bigger tips. That's all people do with these cars for real. So, damn, y'all can't even see me. So yeah, basically, my car had a Wickerbill, and I guess when the boy traded the car back in, he took it off, because I'm pretty sure he probably got another charger. I don't know who had it before me, but I'm pretty sure he got another charger or something. Because if you was gonna go get another charger, would you take the Wickerbill off? Because you left the diffuser on. But yeah, man, hopefully my Wickerbill got delivered, and I'm gonna attempt to put that on by myself today, because I love cars, but I'm not hands-on, so you got to see what that's about. And I got another modification, bro. It's gonna make my car look like a whole new car. So let me go to this John real quick. I'm gonna pick this one up and see if we got there. Man, why you add it? Like, comment, subscribe, man. Hit the like button. Stop playing. Subscribe to the channel. Stop playing. Alright, so here it go. I don't want to show my address or nothing, but y'all know the vibes. Wickerbill PS Designs. Yes, sir. And I think this is something for my daughter, bro. So this video gonna be me installing that, and for Father's Day, my mom got me an Easy Pass, so I'm about to set that up right now. And because I got an Easy Pass ticket, I gotta pay. That's on like $70. Because when this whole Corona situation came about, all of a sudden, people wasn't being at the door booth and all that. So, yeah, man. Let me set this up. Gotta run to the store, and we gonna get to installing the Wickerbill. Yes, yeah, I was at the junkyard with my pop, yo, looking for this piece for his car, and there's a cop behind me. He pulled up before me. Let's see. I hear that. I'm with them cats and his headers. These Jones. Crazy. Alright, so I forgot to record him doing it, but yeah, Wickerbill's installed. Finally got a diffuser. That shit look good now. Diffuser, ScatPack, John, Wickerbill. Yeah, next, bigger tips. And my other, I got. The only thing is missing a little washer, but he said it was cool. So I'll probably just order like a washer or something and just go from there. But I don't think y'all heard the drone today, so let's get it. And I just got gas, a little 30 ball. Yo, it's nighttime and all that. Then end the video off and everything. But I'm gonna talk about getting something to eat. But I don't care what people say. Yeah, Wickerbill installed. Next month coming probably this week, hopefully. I might have closed the video up. But like, comment, subscribe. Do what you gotta do. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell another friend to share the video. You feel me? And that's it. My fault. The next video is gonna be me explaining something. The next video after that is gonna be me installing a new modification. So stay tuned for this.